Hi guys, Ariel with Arielpaints. Happy Halloween to everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing Halloween. I actually have a Halloween party to go to and I didn't plan anything. So I'm throwing together a last minute costume with some makeup and I'm going to show you guys what I did. I already have full glam makeup on, but I'm going to turn this into kind of a classy Wonder Woman look. And instead of running out last minute and buying some plastic Wonder Woman outfit that I'm going to freeze my butt off in, I just decided to go with a tight sweater dress. I might make some cuffs out of toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls later, but you know what? I might not. So I already have my full makeup done. I did a very dramatic glam look. And now I'm going to add just a few elements of paint to it to take it to that Wonder Woman level. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, to start off, I did heavy makeup. I contoured, I did really crazy Egyptian eyes with some bronze shadow. I went all out. Halloween is the best time to do your makeup because you can really kind of mess it up and be super crazy with it and everyone thinks it's on purpose. So I went all out and I did heavy makeup. I also did the red lips. You have to go red lips when you're doing Wonder Woman. I'm using Lip Sense. I've talked about this before on my channel. I use it on clients for Halloween often and myself all the time if I want to wear a red lip. This lipstick doesn't come off. It doesn't smudge. You can drink and eat all night long and your lipstick does not move. It is amazing and it's great to paint over too. So I highly recommend you find somebody that sells Lip Sense in your area if you struggle with lipstick or you do a lot of looks for clients that need to last all night. It's great for stage makeup too. I'm in love with this stuff. So I have my red lip done. Now I just need to add a few elements to make myself into the cartoon version of Wonder Woman. One thing I've decided to do to make this unique is instead of doing the triangular headband in the bronze gold with the red star, I have this stencil which is based off the new Wonder Woman character, and I think what I want to do is place it in the center of my forehead and just stencil it in black so that it's just kind of simple and classic and classy. And then I want to add a few of the cartoon elements, the lines on the cheek and the jaw and some white around the eyes and the white highlights, so that I look cartoony, but I want to keep the look overall very elevated. I might even add some glitter towards the end, but the point is, I want this to be simple. This is last minute. I didn't plan a costume, but I'm going to show up and look like I tried. So let's start with the stencil and see how it goes. I have a dauber loaded up with black. I think the hardest part is going to be me lining this up on myself. This is where I wish someone was here to help me, but I'm going to do my best and kind of look at where my widow's peak ends and then that tip where the center of my nose is. And I think I want it up not too high, kind of right in the center. All right, so I think this is centered. Wish me luck. Here we go. Stenciling on yourself is like the worst. All right, hopefully I didn't totally butcher this. Oh, it's not bad at all. That's pretty cool actually. I like it. We're gonna roll with it and do the rest and see how it looks in the end. All right, so now I'm gonna grab some black and do a few of the cartoon lines. I already, with eyeliner, went under my eye because I was hoping that would keep it a little bit cleaner if I did that with eyeliner. But I need to do the line of my chin, go around my lips, and then do the jaw. So let's do that. Similar to other lines in face painting that you want to do, try to go thin to thick to thin. And when you're, it's hard to do when you're talking, but especially with a cartoony look, you know, you want it to be dramatic. I need to fix this. And I'm going to do my best to match it up to the other side. All right, the lips. I can't talk for this part. You can do a couple little frown lines. That actually fills in the space. I am going to just darken up the crown a tiny bit. I did fill in my eyebrows a little bit more than normal, but if you really want like even more of a cartoony look, you can add some black. All right, this is what we have so far. I think I'll do the jawline as well. And when doing the jawline, don't do it too far underneath that no one can see it. You want to do it so that if someone's looking on, they can see the line and that it's not hidden underneath, because that just looks weird. I don't think I'm going to go around my chin. I think I'm just going to let it taper off right there. All right, I'm going to add some white highlights. So I didn't do mascara on my bottom lashes yet because I knew that when I filled in under my eye with the white, I was going to get white all over my lashes. So I'm going to do this part first and then I will do mascara. I have really long bottom lashes actually, so it makes this difficult. You also could instead do a white waterline pencil. NYX makes a really good one, but I got rid of mine a long time ago, so I decided to draw under my eye and do the white line instead. But that gives you that pop art look. All right, I think I need a touch of white here. I am using Fusion black and white in case anybody's wondering. Kind of my go-to favorites. And it seems to be sticking better than my eyeliner is, so I'm going to go over it. So I want it to be nice and pigmented. So the only other thing I think I'll do is I'm going to add some glitter as highlight. Not because it's like Wonder Woman-y, but because this is Halloween. And when else do you get to be over the top, right? So I'm going to add a mix of this, like the white pixie paint. Is that what it's called? What color is this? Abracadabra. And then I have a little bit of loose silver glitter that I'm mixing in. And I'm just going to C-shape that right around my eye. Because I can, and this is not a traditional Wonder Woman. This is my cartoon fantasy Wonder Woman. And I can do whatever I want with her. Don't be shy with the glitter. It's Halloween. 2020 has been hard. Let's have some fun. No regrets. Yes, love it. And since I have some extra, I'm gonna throw it on top too. And this is the final look. Pretty simple. Throw on your own clothes, which I love for Halloween, some makeup, and you're out the door. I want to wish everyone a happy Halloween, whether you're staying in or going out. Please be safe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.